originally, the way the setup was inside my house, okay, we're still in the one bedroom side. And, oops, the water heater was in these closets. This is between the kitchen, okay, on that side, and the bathroom. So it's a little hallway. I don't know if you remember it from when you was out here. The little hallway connecting the kitchen and the bathroom. And in here was where they had the water heater inside the house. Okay. And then, you know, a little storage closet. So what we're going to do is the water heater, as you can see, is going to go into these rooms. This is the water heater. We took the water heater out the 2-bedroom side before we did anything. So the water heater is going to go into these rooms that he built, along with the washing machines and the dryer. And then this closet right here, I'm going to break out that back wall back there, all along on both sides. I'm going to break out the back wall. Okay, and then what I'm going to do with that is actually, come on, light. It's actually the wall that connects in the bedroom inside the closet. See, this is the closet in the bedroom. So once I take this wall out, I can extend it out, and then there'll be a walk-in closet. All right, got it? All right, love you, sis. Bye.